over here in this video where I talk about using moving blankets for sound deadening, Dylan brought up some good points in the comments that I want to address here in this video. If we're just meeting, I'm Harley, and this is the House of Hacks, where I talk about making things in the workshop. As it relates to these moving blankets, there's three things I want to talk about. First, the placement of the grommets. They need to be far enough away from the edge that they're inside the material that is between the fabric, the padding material. And they also need to be surrounded by stitching. This allows them enough support that they don't pull out. If they're too close to the edge, they may pull out from the weight of the blanket hanging on them. That brings up the second point, which is how many are there? I've got 3 along this edge, 1 on each corner, and 1 right in the middle. This allows me to hang them either half width, 3 feet wide, or double width, the full 6 feet, depending on the needs of the situation. And hanging then brings up the third point, how to store them. I cut 2 pieces of wood, about yay long, so that it'll fit in between the joists in the ceiling. And then I put cup hooks in those, and that allows me to hang all of these within about a foot from the wall and only 3 feet wide. Very efficient storage. So over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. I'll see you in there, and when making things, remember, perfection isn't required, fun is.